Get ready to ignite your passion, elevate your family's generational success, and connect with biblical businessmen, Dr. Myron Golden and Pastor David Mitchell. This is your invitation to Family Business Accelerator, live in Dallas, Texas. The ultimate 2-day experience that could transform your family for generations to come. Dive into the heart of the family business model with Dr. Myron Golden and Pastor David Mitchell as they engage with you and encourage you through God's Word to live out your purpose in your family. Experience the power of connecting with successful family business entrepreneurs in this intimate and exclusive event. This is your opportunity to mingle with the minds who have shaped the future of their families for the better as they teach you the strategies so you can do the same. They will teach you how to start, sustain, and scale a family business of your own. Don't miss this chance to be a part of an event that could change your life. Join us for 2 transformative days that could leave you energized, inspired, and ready to redefine your family's future.